What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking for some great running socks, I just found some awesome ones and ordered myself a second box. These are the Brisira Coolmax Bamboo Viscose running socks, and they're awesome. I'm kind of picky about my socks. Come in a nice little gift box too, by the way. Great for gift giving. Neat little bag, and here are your socks. You get 3 pair, and I love how they fit. They have a reinforced sole with extra padding, an arch support ribbing right here that hugs your foot and is super comfortable. Padded heel, I call this like a thumb flap for helping you to get them on. And also, the great thing about this too is the way it comes up covers your ankle and helps to prevent the skin from rubbing on the insides of your running shoes, which can make things super uncomfortable. You have everything from small all the way up to extra large socks. If you have tiny little feet, you can get a small. And if you have great big feet, you can get the extra large. Color-wise, you also have some color choices. I like a combo pack because it lets me choose. This one here came with the 3 different colors, the blue with the yellow accents, the black with the white accents, and then the white with the gray and yellow accents. You can also get them in a straight black, white, straight blue. They also come in like a purpley color, multi-packs too, so you have tons of variety size-wise. I love how these feel on my foot. This comfort band here is such a really nice hug to your foot. It really feels comfortable, and I can actually feel the support when I'm wearing them. Super breathable. When you're running, you don't feel your feet get super soggy. Anti-odor, which to me is an absolute bonus because who wants to smell stinky feet? Another really great feature about these socks is the way that they're designed. They actually don't slip down in your shoe and make you have to stop to pull your socks off. They have a really good grip around your ankle, and the compression is awesome. I think these are really great for all kinds of different scenarios: hiking, sports, working out, or even if you're just wearing them around the house. Definitely, these are comfortable socks, and they will be the ones that you reach for because they're just that awesome. If you are looking for a great set of running socks, or if you just want comfy socks to wear around the house and you don't like socks crawling up your legs, these ones here are awesome and definitely a family favorite at my house.